Welcome to Carrigan Farms. Every year, something amazing happens in the pumpkin fields. Let's take a closer look and learn how pumpkins grow. From a tiny seed in the soil to a big orange pumpkin. It all starts with a seed. These little pumpkin seeds may look small, but inside they hold the power to grow an entire pumpkin plant. In the early summer, around the 1st of July, farmers plant each seed into the soil in neat rows. The soil is full of nutrients that helps the seed feel at home and ready to grow. Once they're planted, the farmer waters the seeds. The seeds swell up, and after a few days, they sprout. 2 shoots emerge from the growing seed. One shoot grows upwards and is green. This part becomes the vine, where the leaves grow. The other shoot points down into the soil and grows down to form roots, which anchor the plant and absorb nutrients and moisture. After a few days, the seeds sprout. Green shoots pop up out of the soil. Those shoots grow into vines that stretch across the field, with big green leaves to catch even more sunlight. Plants use sunlight to make their own food in a process called photosynthesis. That's a long word, but here's what it means. The sun provides energy. The plants collect this sunlight energy and take carbon dioxide gas from the air, combining it with water to form sugar, which helps the plants grow. Photosynthesis means putting together with light. Once the pumpkin plants reach a certain size and have a large enough canopy of leaves, the plant will begin to flower. The pumpkin plants produce bright yellow flowers. These pumpkin flowers are where pumpkins begin, but only if they get the help from a very important visitor. Bees. Bees fly from flower to flower collecting sweet nectar and sticky yellow dust called pollen. When a bee moves pollen from one flower to another, it's called pollination, and that's what makes the magic happen. There are 2 kinds of pumpkin flowers, male and female. The male flowers make pollen, and the female flowers receive the pollen. Bees help carry the pollen from the male to the female flower. Once a flower is pollinated, the bottom of the female flower starts growing into a tiny green pumpkin. Once the flower is pollinated, the ovary of the female flower starts to grow into a tiny green pumpkin. It starts small, but it doesn't stay that way for long. With sunshine, rain, and time, the pumpkins grow bigger and rounder. At first they are green, but it ripens and turns to a bright orange. At the end of the season, the fields are full of pumpkins, ready to be picked. Each pumpkin started with just 1 seed, 1 flower, and some very helpful bees. At Carrigan Farms, you can come to find the perfect pumpkin. Big ones, tiny ones, orange ones, yellow ones, white ones, even ones with funny shapes. They all grow thanks to sunlight, soil, water, and bees. From seed to sprout, flower to fruit. That's how pumpkins grow at Carrigan Farms. Nature and the farmers work hard, and now you know how it all happens.